Hello and welcome to this session. Twisting styles is a popular and elegant hairstyling technique practiced all around the world.
Objectives. At the end of the session, you will be able to list the tools and materials required for twisting styles, perform ponytail twisting style, and perform side twisting style. Let's now look at the tools and materials required for the procedure of twisting styles. You will need the following tools and materials such as styling chair, tail or style comb, setting clips, styling lotion or gel, hairspray, bob pins or jura pins, hair accessories, and rubber band. Make sure that all the tools are properly sterilized in order to prevent infections. Wash your hands with soap and water before the procedure. Gently pat dry with a towel. Arrange all the necessary tools and materials in a trolley. Make sure the trolley is kept near the styling chair for easy access. The procedure of twisting styles involves the following steps. They are: Step 1. Create a ponytail. Step 2. Twist a section from the border of the ponytail. Step 3. Twist the remaining sections of the hair. Step 4. Create base for the style. Step 5. Twist inner sections of the hair. Step 6. Use pins and hairspray to finish. Let's now look at each step in detail. Begin by gathering the hair from the crown into a secure ponytail. This will serve as the foundation for your twists. Make sure the ponytail is positioned where you want the twists to begin. Once the ponytail is ready, tie it with an elastic band. Place a hair donut on top of the ponytail. Now, take a small section of hair from the border of the ponytail. Hold the strand and start twisting it in a counterclockwise direction. This motion adds an elegant flair to the style. As you continue twisting, exchange your hands, directing the strand around in the opposite direction. This technique adds complexity and visual interest to the twists. Once you've completed the twist, position it on the hair donut and pin it using U-pins. This ensures that your twists stay intact throughout the day and night. Repeat this twisting technique with all the remaining sections of hair around the ponytail. Remember to twist each strand in a counterclockwise direction as you work your way around. This consistent direction creates a cohesive and polished look. To create a base for the style, take a thinner parting from the remaining hair. Twist the strand in a counterclockwise direction as well and secure it with U-pins. This base adds volume and stability to the overall hairstyle. Now, use the same twisting technique for the remaining inner sections of your hair. Twist each strand in a counterclockwise direction and secure them with U-pins. This step ensures that every part of the hair contributes to the overall style. To balance and enhance the overall form of the style, use long hairpins. Insert the hairpin strategically to hold the twists in place. Additionally, apply hairspray gently to provide extra hold and ensure the longevity of your elegant hairstyle. These finishing touches bring out the best in your twists, giving the hair a polished and professional appearance. Finally, remove the extra pins that were used during the styling process. This step allows the twists to gracefully fall into place, revealing the full beauty of the hairstyle. Remember that practice and experimentation will help you master this twisting technique and also bring out your own signature variations. Here's another free hair twisted hairstyle you can try on your clients with long hair. It involves the following steps. They are: Step 1. Prepare the hair. Step 2. Section the hair. Step 3. Twist the larger section. Step 4. Twist the smaller section. Step 5. Finish styling with hairspray. Let's now look at each step in detail. Start with clean and dry hair to ensure a neat and polished look for your hairstyle. Begin by delicately brushing the hair, removing any tangles or knots. This step ensures that the hair is smooth and ready for the twisting process. Use a brush with soft bristles to avoid causing any discomfort when performing on the client. Next, using a comb, divide the hair starting from the left section of the forehead. Create distinct sections, with some smaller and some larger. Once the sections are defined, take a small strand of hair from the beginning of the larger section and securely hold it between your fingers. This ensures a firm grip and control during the twisting process. Select an adjacent strand from the same section and twist it along with the previously held strand. Continue this twisting technique, taking one hair strand at a time and elegantly twisting it over the existing twists until you reach the end of the section. This meticulous process gradually builds up the twisted hairstyle, ensuring each strand is incorporated seamlessly. Once you've reached the end of the larger section, twist the hair multiple times to tighten and give it a secure hold. To keep the twist in place and secure it with the hair clip on the left side, skillfully use the surrounding hair to effortlessly hide the clip. Moving on to the smaller section of hair, repeat the same twisting technique. Pay attention to selecting hair strands of similar volume to create a balanced and harmonious look. Consistency in strand size will contribute to the overall aesthetic of the hairstyle. Once you reach the end, twist the hair multiple times to secure the twist in place. To conceal the clip, secure the twist with a hair clip on the right side and use the remaining open hair in that area to cover the clip. To ensure longevity and hold for the twisted hairstyle, apply a suitable hairspray. Lightly mist the hairstyle with the hairspray, adding an extra touch of hold and enhancing its overall appearance. You've now created a simple yet captivating twisted hairstyle that's perfect for parties and special occasions. This beautifully twisted look showcases your skill and creativity while providing an elegant and unique hairstyle option.
This brings us to the end of this session. In this session, we have learned the tools and materials required for twisting styles, the procedure of ponytail twisting style, and the procedure of side twisting style.